Memorial Day weekend. Thought this would be appropriate. A little fun with fire. This is called the Ultimate Tank from Phantom Fireworks. And it comes in a packaging like this. This is what it's going to look like. Emits showers of sparks. Emits showers of sparks. It doesn't say what it does, although we know what these do. There's the item number right there, H337. So I'm guessing it's going to come out of here, obviously. This thing's going to be awesome. Let's check out the Ultimate Tank. And thank you, our men and women, for your ultimate sacrifice. Yeah.